Do you get confused between nouns, verbs, adjectives? Let's fix that today. In the next 5 minutes, you will understand nouns clearly. Let's begin. Today, we are learning nouns, the foundation of English. What is a noun? A noun is a naming word. It names a person, place, thing, animal, or idea. For example, teacher, school, laptop, dog, honesty. If a word gives something a name, it is a noun. Let's learn the 5 important ways. Proper nouns. Specific names. They always start with a capital letter. Example, Rahul, India, Monday, Amazon. Common nouns. General names. Example, city, girl, company, day. Concrete nouns. Things we can see, touch, hear, smell, or taste. Examples, water, music, flower, pizza. Abstract nouns, things we cannot see or touch. Example, happiness, anger, knowledge, trust. Collective nouns, name of groups. Example, a team of players, a bunch of keys, a herd of cows, a bouquet of flowers. Let's revise. Nouns. Name of a person, place, thing, animal or idea. Types. Proper, common, concrete, abstract, collective. Let's do an activity. Look around you. Pick 3 nouns you can see right now. Comment them below. We will check your answer.